Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ruthan, host of Intellect Digest, and we have here the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4.6 centimeter or 46 millimeter, and this is their latest smartwatch available at around 30,000 rupees in India. The Best Buy links are provided in the description section, and this watch is much improved over their previous generation Samsung Gear Watch. They just call it Galaxy Watch now. Some key features are mentioned on the side of the box. It says long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking, 39 plus workout activity support, and it is waterproof to 5 atmosphere or 50 meters in depth. It comes with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity. It can be connected with any Android smartphone, and it also works with Samsung as well as non-Samsung smartphones, so you just need Android 5.0 or higher for that. You need some Samsung apps to make it work, so doesn't matter if you have a Samsung phone or not, you can still use it. The MRP is 29,999 or 30,000 rupees, and we have this one is in silver color. I'll leave the Best Buy links in the description section, so if you want to pick up one for yourself, you can very well do that. This is a larger variant, 4.6 centimeter. There's a 4.2 centimeter, which is a smaller dial variant, also available. I use a Fitbit Ionic, and you can see the size next to it. It's fairly large size smartwatch, and this is how it looks. It comes with these rubber straps, and these are removable straps, 22 millimeters, and you can purchase any standard 22 millimeter straps from the market and replace it for this smartwatch. This is how it looks. It has this metallic casing which looks quite good. It has a scratch resistant Gorilla Glass on the front and circular display. There's a protective plastic here. Let me peel this off. And around the display is the circular dial, which actually feels very tactile and very nice. The finishing of this dial is quite impressive. There are two buttons, one on top and one on the bottom here. On the right hand side, this hole which is probably microphone hole, and there are these three holes which are probably speaker holes, and here are some sensors here for heart rate, etc. It comes with heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, it comes with fitness monitoring, etc. So this is how the watch looks in the skin. Let me keep it to the side and show you what else is in the box. So first thing here is an extra strap. So this is for people with smaller wrists. If you want to make it smaller in size, you just remove this one and put this one on, and it is around 1 inch smaller. It is also mentioned here this is small and this is large, so you can replace it if you think that this watch is too big for your wrist. Then we have a quick start and warranty guide. So you have two documentation manuals here. So it tells you how to get started with the watch. Then you have the wireless charging cradle. This cradle plugs in to the wall adapter using a micro USB here, and then you simply just place it like this and it will start charging. There is some more content here, which is most likely the charger only. Yes, it is the charger only, and it's a 5 volt 0.7 ampere micro USB charger, and you plug this into the wall this side, and then you plug the other side here, and this is how you charge this watch. Let me quickly boot this up and get back with more details. Setting up the watch is quite simple. You just need to long press the bottom button and it will boot up the watch, and then you go to the smartphone, get the Galaxy wearable app, and then it will detect that there is a watch nearby and it will start to pair. So right now it is connecting. It may take a few minutes, so let it complete and I'll get back to you as soon as it finishes. So it took a minute or so and the watch is ready, and as you can see, the Galaxy Watch app is showing some details here. It is showing the apps, watch faces, etc. It's also comes with a lot of apps. So Samsung Health is the health tracking app, so you need a Samsung account. You need to log in into the Samsung account to make full use of this app or this application and this watch. And this is how the watch looks like. So I'll just keep this phone to the side and show you the watch closely. And this is how the display is. This is 4.6 millimeters dial. So you have different watch faces to choose from. These are the keys which have different applications. You swipe down here for your quick panel or quick controls toggles. The screen will turn off when you cover the display with your palm, and this is just a quick tool that it gives you once you start the watch for the first time. So you have messages, phone calling, contacts, email, Samsung Health, Galaxy app, settings, PPT controller, and next page. So the tactile feel of this dial is very impressive. You can just scroll through the apps and you can tap on them to open it, or you can just go back. So this is how the default watch face looks like. Pretty slick. It looks like a chronograph and it's very real looking. If you look at it from a distance, you can't tell that this is a smartwatch. It looks like an analog. It's nicely finished, good metal casing, very good and sleek design. You can wake it up just by the wrist gesture. You can change the chronograph settings, or you can put the watch faces that you like. You can download more watch faces from the app, and you can really customize the way it looks. Let me put it onto my wrist and show you how it looks. This is kind of large, but it does look very nice on the wrist. As you can see, this is a good fit, and on the wrist it is still very natural and easy to use. There is touch screen. You can very easily navigate through the menus. You can navigate through the apps. It will show you your daily activities, calories burned, steps, etc. You can add quick contacts, create reminders, you can watch your calendars, you can add workouts, you can control the music on your phone, you can see the news briefing here, tap and hold to launch articles, etc. So there is Flipboard. There is a lot of app support that is provided here, and there is an app store for this watch, for Galaxy Watch, that is inbuilt. So it is quite cool in terms of functionality. I really like the way this watch looks and feels, and there is good support for notification. It gives you all the features that you would require from a smartwatch, and at the same time it looks quite smart as well. And while you're not using it for notifications or any smart functionality, it looks really good. Just cover it with your palm and the display goes off. You do this wrist turning gesture and the display comes back on. If you want to see the time, just twist it like this. It will show you the time. It looks great, it feels great, the material choice is good. I would have liked this one to be more premium, but this is not too bad. It feels quite comfortable and soft. It does not look very premium. The strap could have been slightly better, but you can always replace it with your choice of straps. If you are into leather or metal, just replace it with any standard 22mm strap. You just need to take this off, put the other one, and you're good to go. So good thing is that it's a standardized size, so you can just shop online or go to the market and get extra straps for this watch and make it actually look like the way you want it to look. And it's quite good in my honest opinion. It's a good piece of technology, slightly expensive at 30,000 rupees, but for the price that you're paying, you're getting a good worth for it, because the quality of this watch is very premium. It does feel very robust, and I just love the slider mechanism. It feels so good and so nice to operate. There's a nice satisfying clicky sound to it when you rotate it, and I really like the way this interface works. There is always a touch screen available, but with so much of tactile feedback using this ring, you would probably be using it more with the ring and less with the screen. So that's how I feel about it. What are your opinions and your thoughts about this watch? Do let us know. This is a good tool for health tracking, fitness tracking, sleep tracking, notifications, smart notifications, as a watch, alarms, reminders, you name it, and it has got it. It has a smart reply, it has a speakerphone functionality built in, it is water resistant, you can go swimming with it, so you can do a lot of things that you can do with a smartwatch, and it is a very good overall package. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to buy one, best buy links are below. For more videos, stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.